Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Ooh, we got morning hair, don't we? Both of us. But we had a fun night at the baby shower party. Yeah, so we just got some breakfast. Forrest is eating the leftover rolls and loving those too. Yeah. And Miss Annabell is actually coloring on some of our leftover decorations. Ooh, what you got here? Are you working on the hearts? Pretty cool. So yeah, we need to get ready for the day and we have to accomplish a few things, but we will take you along with us. Alright, so we are ready for the day. Everyone is in clothes. That is a plus. It's only almost noon. Do you love the apples? Are they so good? Are they yummy yummy? Yummy yummy in my tummy. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I love you lots.
I love the apples too.
Annabell loves the apples too? Alright, we're done with lunch. And now we're gonna make some
Cookies.
cookies.
Yeah.
Yeah, but not just any old cookies. We're making mom's cookies. But not just any mom, my mom. And not the mom you just saw, my other mom. I have two moms.
Yes.
Two moms. Okay, so we are making...
Mom, can you say some for us?
Yeah, they're for all of us. All right, Annabelle, are you ready to make some cookies? I am too. I need my recipe. Okay, so like I said, these are Mom's chocolate chip cookies. For us.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, first we need to get brown sugar. 3/4 cup of brown sugar, and then we need 3/4 cup of white sugar. Very careful. And then we need 1 cup of shortening. Get this out with a spatula. Get all of this stuff. Now, we're going to continue to, what is that? This thing? Right? This isn't my normal mixer. I promise I know my way around the kitchen. We love each other.
I love my mom.
I love my Annabell.
We're crazy about each other.
We're crazy about each other.
We're crazy about each other. That's a new word. Saying we love each other.
Yes, that's a new word that says we
La la, we love our family. Yeah.
Yeah, oh, okay, we're still cooking. We forgot, we got so excited singing to each other. We're still cooking cookies. Okay, next ingredients.
1 teaspoon of banana. So flour. Can I actually? Mama, you still have the log.
Two cups of flour. We need to add, not yet, we have 2 more ingredients. I'm going to do this right over here. 1 teaspoon salt. Sure. Be very careful. The last ingredient is the most important. It's the
chocolate chips.
It's the chocolate chips! Cool.
I'm the lady.
These are the ladies. That's me. I'm the lady.
I'm the girl.
She's the girl. Okay, so this is done. I'm going to get it on a pan in the oven at 375 for 8 to 10 minutes.
Mom, you have to roll right now.
Oh, we have to roll? Well, we will do that. No, those are way better.
Is it good, Dale? Can I get a thumbs up? Okay, how is it, Annabelle?
Super good.
Nice. You ate that fast.
What down, diaper?